What is going on, guys? It's Boss Up Trades with another technical analysis video on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Starting off with Bitcoin. So this is my 4-hourly chart technical analysis. This is what I'm seeing. This was the original descending wedge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we broke out. We came back, retested, fake out, and we've been creating a new falling wedge on top of this original falling wedge and holding support over and over and over and over and over again. So we turned this first sloping wedge into support, and now we're creating another falling wedge on top of that. We also have to keep an eye on this major line of resistance that we've been forming this entire time of this consolidation. So if we break out, we want to watch for that resistance, and we will want to break out of that. But as we fall farther into this wedge and build pressure, this line of resistance is just getting higher and higher. So this is what I expect to happen. I think we're gonna break out any day now, but we are going into the weekend quite soon. So if we don't break out tomorrow, then we don't want to see oh no, what happened? One sec. My thing crashed. If we don't break out tomorrow, we don't want to see a breakout in the weekend because we'll create a CME gap. And basically, CME gaps are always filled, almost always filled. So if we break on the weekend, then it's more likely that we'll come down, back down to fill that CME gap during the week, which is fine. But you can usually, people like to short that play. But I do think we're about to break out any day now. Whether it's to the downside or upside, I'm not sure, but obviously the falling wedge pattern has a 70 to 60% chance of breaking to the upside, especially in a bull market. I would say it's 70%. So what I think is going to happen is boom, 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 boom. I don't know how many times it's going to retest it. We could break out right now. But you do want to keep an eye on that if you're looking for a trade. If you're looking for a trade, you want to keep an eye of a breakout above this top sloping resistance. People like to, you can either trade it when it pops out, or you can trade it when it comes out and wait for the retest into support, and then you can open a trade, which would be like this. So for say we broke out right now, you could wait till it potentially comes down, retest for confirmation, and then breakout. Because if you open up a breakout trade and you don't wait for the retest, which it doesn't always retest, but this could happen right here, a fake out where it breaks out and then dumps back in, and you could be big time liquidated. That was not a good time to go long, the worst time to go long. So yeah, on the stochastic RSI, we are looking good. We're pushing up. Actually, it looks like we might be coming back down. Yeah, we're looking good on the stochastic, on the 4-hourly. If we go to the daily chart, and we're about to break 97,000. So for the 100th time. On the 1 daily, give me a second. On the 1 daily, we're still forming lower highs on the RSI, which is bearish. We want to break that yellow line to confirm a strong momentum for an upwards move. And then on the stochastic RSI, we are looking good. We came from the weak oversold zone, and we're getting ready to pump. Usually you want to accumulate your buys if you're buying spot in this zone right here. And now we are shooting up, which is a good sign, guys. Very good sign. And then we're zooming in here on the daily. Sorry, guys, I'm just trying to zoom in on MacBook with one hand here. Okay, so as you can see, there's this major line of support and resistance. Right now it's support at 94,850. Right now we just retested it as support multiple times. We are forming a higher low right here in the daily. I guess not really yet. It's not great, but we could be preparing to break out right now. It looks like. Come on, break 97,000 on the vid. Let's go. But yeah, guys, the daily is looking good. Stochastic's looking good. So yeah, guys, we're looking pretty good right now. Just keep an eye on this falling wedge if you're looking for a trade. I just want to go to the 5 minute here and see if we can see the 9. See if we can break it, or see if we can see it break 97,000 here. Watch this. Ready? Come on. We'll wait one candle real quick, and then we'll check out Ethereum. That doesn't want to do it. So close, but no cup of tea. Oh. I think we might break it right now. Right with this candle. Here it comes. We had the EMA cross. Bullish. I think we touched 97,000 right now. Come on, let's go. Pump it up. We got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. We got to pump it up. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so, okay. It's not pumping it up. Okay, so, and then on Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum on the 4 hourly. Stochastic RSI is still moving up. That's bullish. Zooming in here. Zoom in extra. Okay, so as you can see, we broke down the craziest dump of all time. Came back up, shot back up, created this symmetrical triangle. We broke out, bit of a fake out, came up, and you can't see because of my EMA cross really, but we actually just broke out of that symmetrical triangle, came back. We're retesting, and then let's see, but that's a higher low right there, or no, not yet. Well, it is, yeah, it's a higher low, but we want to see a higher high. And then what was I trying to do there? Oh yeah, I just want to draw it. So what we want to see is it to come back, retest this blue and yellow line, and basically lines up perfect and go up. We really want to break this upward sloping line of resistance to finally break out of this. Holy smokes. That's on the 4 hour. It's been a while. And then the daily. Wait, I just want to check out the RSI. Actually, we'll check out the RSI on the daily. Okay, let's check out the RSI here. I think we're nearing the bottom right now. If we draw a line, we're near the bottom. Sorry. If we draw a line, horizontal line right here, we can see if we find support in that area often. I mean, right here we bounce perfectly. Boom. Right here as well. Boom. Here as well. A huge pump when we hit here. Boom. So we either go a little bit lower or we pump any day now. in my opinion. Oh yeah, look at right here, basically retest, huge pump. Yeah, so guys, I think we're near the bottom. I think it's time to pump any day now, in my opinion. But we want to break this line to confirm that we are not forming any lower lows, because right now we are just forming lower highs. So we want to break above here, and we want to break above this yellow line. So keep an eye on that, guys. And then what else do we got here? Stochastic looks good. On the daily chart, we formed, that's actually a bullish red candle, because this is still, it didn't go lower than our previous day, and now we're forming a green candle right now. And we are sitting at the price of 2,697. So yeah, guys, overall, I think we're looking quite good on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And in my opinion, it's only a matter of days until we see a major pump. I think it's going to be a big pump. I think we're going to see a breakout. And I think we're only days away, maybe weeks, but it's almost time. I think this is our, right here, I think that was our low. I don't think we go lower than that. I think it's time to move up. There's too much institutional buying and too much hype going on, I think, and it seems like all the economic news is starting to not really have much of an impact on the price. So I think that was our bottom. I think it's time to pump, in my opinion. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for today. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned anything, please smash up the like button and subscribe. I'm putting out daily videos, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.